Minecraft, I'll be teaching you how to make a automatic cooked chicken farm. Firstly, place a barrel here and run 2 hoppers into the barrel. Then place a smooth stone slab above here, and then place a dispenser here and another dispenser here. Then place a lever here and smooth quartz block here, and switch out to glass and place it here and here. Then place an observer here and here. Above the dispenser, place a hopper. Then place more hoppers near the dispenser like this. Then you want to place glass like this. Then place slabs above the glass. Then you want to fill it in with any block you like. Then get a lava bucket and place it here, and then double click. Place ladders here, and then you want to switch back out to your barrel and place it here with a hopper running into here. You now have a fully functioning automatic cooked chicken farm. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have a good day.